Hi my magical creatures, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is I am going to talk about chakras and what they do, how to open them and stuff like that, and my experiences with them. So before we begin, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. It's a free way to help your girl out. So let's get started. Okay, so let's get into the chakras. So there are 7 main chakras, I want to say, and there is more chakras to the body, but today's video we're just going to focus on the 7 main chakras. So the 7 chakras, they look like energy centers in the body, and they're also like form the colors kind of form a rainbow, if you will say. So like the base chakra is red, and it's like in the lower part of your like at the tip of your tailbone, I want to say. That's where the base chakra is. So that has to deal with like security, grounding, physical things on the earth, you know. And so it's red. And then the next chakra is the sacral chakra, which is orange, and it's below the belly. So like the navel area, that has to deal with like your sexuality, sexual energies, you know, stuff like that, and it's orange. So then the next chakra is the solar plexus chakra. So that chakra is yellow, and that has to go with your vitality, your freedom, your free will. I want to say like you being free, you know, and it's yellow, and that's in the stomach area. So moving up in the chest area is the heart chakra. So it's green, and that has to do with self-love, loving yourself, love in general. And then your throat chakra, which is blue, it's a blue color, and that has to do with speaking your truth, you know, stuff like that. Speaking your truth, you know, saying how you feel, stuff like that. Your third eye, this is where your psychic center is. Your third eye is like in between the brow. It's like an indigo purple color. That's like, you know, intuition, clairvoyance, psychic abilities, stuff like that. And then the crown chakra is a violet color. It's kind of like a fuchsia violet color to me. And the crown chakra is what connects you to the source, divine, the universe, stuff like that. And channeling messages and, you know, things like that. So these chakras, like if they're blocked, you know, like I'm gonna say like the throat chakra, for instance, like you have a problem with, you know, saying how you feel about things, or you have a hard time speaking your truth, your throat chakra will close up and get blocked, you know. So in order for these chakras to stay open and balanced and cleansed and everything like that, I do like this meditation where I imagine white light coming up and entering like my base chakra, and then I just imagine the chakra and enveloped in white light, and then imagining all the negativity being transmuted for the highest good, and then dispersing out into the universe with higher vibration energy. And then I imagine I see them kind of as like flowers. So like the root chakra, let's say if it's closed, I'll imagine it blooming open like a flower, and that way it's like opening up, everything like that. And I just tell myself like this root chakra is balanced, is cleansed, everything like that, and just keep doing that, and then that will keep your chakras open. Also to like using crystals, you can use crystals to like keep them open as well. Like use like red jasper, it's good for the root chakra, so you can put that there, and then that can help balance it, and then like get rid of the negativity that's there. Yeah, and so that's kind of like what I do, and then just keep doing that for each chakra until like you get to the top. And after like you do that, for me, I feel like totally open. Like I feel like good about myself. I feel like rejuvenated. Also too, I feel like not necessarily flexible, but I definitely feel like more open. Like I feel like it's like, you know how you're kind of like trapped, like you're encased in a box or something like that, and then once like the box is like open, it's kind of like, ooh, I can like stretch my arms. Like, it's kind of like that feeling a little bit. That's something I've noticed. But yeah, so this is definitely the chakras and stuff like that. If you guys want to know more about the chakras, or if you want to know if your chakras are blocked, or if you need help opening them, for whatever, you can definitely go to my link down below to my website and book a session with me, and I can definitely tell you if they're open or not. So don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay magical.